All right, I bought a jumper button here so we can run from the battery to the starter. We're gonna crank this over, make sure that there's no bad clunk noises to it. If there's not, excellent. If there is, I guess the Ecoboost swap is gonna be put on hold. For me, I don't hear any clunk, clunks, no rattles, nothing like that. Everything sounds good.
Yeah, the turbo's even spinning, boy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Well, look at that.
Woo. I'd say we got a good Ecoboost project going on our hands.
All right.
Follow along.
It'll be done this summer.
You got some big hopes.